You guys already saw the title, deep cleaning vlog. Let's get straight into it. Because it looks like the dishwasher needs unloading. Yeah, done. And now that's empty, I might as well clean up some of this stuff and put it straight away into the dishwasher, I guess. Let's do it. I think we should have some music for the putting the dishes into the dishwasher time lapse. Okay, so I've migrated upstairs to my room and look at the dust. Oh, you can't even see on here, can you? Look at the dust on there. Let's get that tidied. Look at all the dust, guys. Ah! Okay, and now that's done, let's quickly hoover the house in 5 seconds. That was exhausting. And now that's all done, let's clean up these kitchen cupboards, just like in the thumbnail. And this time it's for real gonna be 5 seconds. So, continue the music, I guess.